Look at this number right here, 1.7 billion Australian dollars. That's what $1,000 invested in Bitcoin in 2010 would be worth today. I'm going to walk you through this Excel sheet and show you exactly how we get to that number. Let's start at the top. This calculator is built for Australian dollars. Here in cell D5, I've entered 1,000 Australian dollars. That's our hypothetical investment. Cell D6 shows the exchange rate, 1.55 AUD per USD. This converts our Australian money to US dollars since Bitcoin is priced in USD globally. And cell D7 does that conversion. D5 divided by D6, giving us 645 USD to invest. Down here is where the magic happens. These are the actual Bitcoin prices. Cell D12 is 0.05 USD. That's the price in July 2010, 5 cents. Cell D13 is 85,000 USD, today's price as of March 2026. Cell D14 is 15.7 years. That's how long we've held the investment. And look at cells H6 and H7. These convert those prices to Australian dollars, from 8 cents AUD back then to 131,750 AUD per Bitcoin today. Now here's where it gets crazy. Cell H10 shows how much Bitcoin we would have bought. D7 divided by D12, our 645 USD divided by the 5 cent price. That gives us 12,903 Bitcoin. Think about that. From 1,000 Australian dollars, you'd own nearly 13,000 Bitcoin. Cell H11 multiplies those Bitcoin by today's USD price. End price times Bitcoin purchased equals 1.097 billion USD. And cell H12 converts that back to Australian dollars, i.e. 1.7 billion AUD. That's the number. Your $1,000 became $1.7 billion.